Good morning, my dear children. Today we will do chapter 23, Amazing Birds. From this lesson, you have to read the clues and identify these birds. So let's get started. First, look at the picture. This bird has the largest wingspan, up to 3.65 meters, from one tip to another. Can you name this bird? Yes, it's Albatross. Next, this bird can fly non-stop for 10 months in the air. It even sleeps in the air. Can you name this bird? Yes, Swift. Next, to hover, this small bird can flap its wing as fast as 70 times per second. So, this bird is so small, but it can flap its wings 70 times per second. Can you name this bird? Yes, Hummingbird. Next, this bird found in the Amazon basin is so strong that it can catch monkey and sloths. Can you name this bird? Yes, it's harpy eagle. Next, this is a small parakeet from Australia, which is very popular as pets. Do you know, this bird also can mimic the sound of other people. Can you name this bird? Yes, is Budgerigar bird. Next, this sea bird makes their nest in the deep underground burrows, same as rabbits. Look at the picture. Doesn't it look like a penguin? But it's not a penguin. Can you name this bird? Yes, Puffin. The last one. This bird has the longest beak. Its beak measures about 13 to 18.5 inches long. Can you name this bird? Yes, it's Pelican. So, these are the names of the birds. Now, let us read the fact flash. Some people think a stork brings good luck to the house its nest on. So, if a bird like stork landed to your house and build a nest, it says it brings good luck to the house. So, it's quite an interesting fact. Now, please write these answers in your book. And I will see you in the next class. Till then, take care and God bless you all. Bye bye.